When it comes to garages and interior design, I like to think about the spaces as being more than just an area to park a car. This garage happens to be air conditioned, so it offered an amazing opportunity to create a really chic flex space. That means it can be used for just about anything from entertaining to hanging out to reading books. Towards the front, we've got a pair of marble-topped tables with two different sets of chairs. On one side, they're a little bit more mid-century with wood backs. On the other side, they have a stitched detail and very mid-century modern legs. Also, in this space, I decided to go with a unique color scheme that was very earth tone inspired. It starts on the ground with two layered rugs in a gray tone and a terracotta tone. We also have a pair of poufs in here, which are worn brown leather, excellent for having extra guests over to put magazines on or put your feet up on. And then we have three different tables, some larger than others at different heights to keep everything really interesting. Just above, we have a trio of industrial white pendant lights, which really add a little touch of glam in here because they have a gold finish on their interior and a beautiful flat white finish outside. Towards the back, we have an original piece of art that is mid-century in style, but it pulls together all the different colors you see in the space with really interesting shapes and a lot of texture. And hands down, the most comfortable part of the entire garage happens to be the seating area in the very back made with tufted English chairs. If you have a space that's meant for just one purpose, if you get creative with how you arrange furniture, you can use it for just about anything.